Good day, everyone. Good day, panelists. We are Group 2, and now we will talk about our research topic about a phenomenological study on the effects of educational deficiency on teenagers' psychological behavior and its relation to their risky behaviors. And now we will move forward in our first slide, led by Abarka.
Background of the study. Education really affects a teenager's mental and emotional well-being. When students struggle or lack quality education, they may lose confidence and motivation. These struggles can lead to stress, sadness, and even risky behaviors like skipping classes or substance use. This study aims to understand how educational problems affect teenagers' emotion and action through their own experiences.
Purpose of this is to examine how educational deficiency affects teenagers' behavior and how it contributes to the risky behavior of teenagers. Educational deficiency can have a biased effect. If the student get a low performance in academics, they feel unmotivated, which can result in mental health challenges and academic struggles, which affect the teenager's behavior. This can result in an issue with teenagers' behavior that might lead to risk. This study helps to identify why this happened in teenagers and what ways to overcome this issue.
Now let's proceed to the significance of the study. This study helps explain the importance of education among teenagers. Educational deficiency leads to risky behaviors among them. It will be beneficial to the following. For the youth, it serves as a guide to help them complete their education and be more conscious in their decision they make. For parents, it will assist them in being more attentive to their children, ensuring that they make proper choices and follow the right path in life. For teachers, it will help them provide guidance and inspiration to the youth, encouraging them to study diligently. And for the society, it helps by implementing programs and promote the importance of education among the youth, serving as a step towards continuous progress and development.
Framework. This study uses as a structural functionalism to explain how each part of the society plays a very big role in maintaining the balance and order. When education is disrupted by so many issues like the teenage pregnancy, it can lead to a school dropouts and fewer opportunities affecting not only the individuals but also wider the community. From this perspective, education prepares youth to be take on roles in society and interruption can weaken social stability. By providing knowledge, guidance, and support society can help these young people to make better choices and maintain balance. This approach strengthens education and restores the social unity.
And now let's move forward to our Q&A questions. First question, how will this study help the community? Our answer is, it will help by creating programs that promote the importance of education among the youth, serving as their step to continuous progress and development. Question number 2, how does not having enough education lead to risky behavior in students? Our answer is, when students struggle or lack quality education, they may lose confidence and motivation. This can cause stress, sadness, and even risky behaviors. In question number 3, what are the expectations you hope will happen because of this study? Our answer is we hope that this study will help identify what happens in teenagers and what are the ways to overcome this issue. Fourth question is how can parents, guardians, and teachers use this information from the study? Our answer is it will assist the parents and even the guardians of the teenagers in being more attentive to their children, ensuring that they make better decisions and choose the right path in their life. It will also help the teachers to provide guidance and assistance in the youth. And for the last question is, what is the main goal of this topic? Our answer is our main goal is to examine how educational deficiency affects teenage behavior and how it contributes to risky behaviors among the youth. And that is all. Thank you for listening.